Hello dear fans. What are alkali metals? Alkali metals are highly reactive. These include sodium, potassium, cesium, francium, and lithium. They have very low melting and boiling points. Physical properties of alkali metals. All alkali metals, except for cesium, have a pronounced metallic luster and a silvery tint. Cesium has a golden hue. All of them in the solid state have a body-centered cubic lattice with 2 atoms per cell. The type of bond between their atoms is metallic. This leads to their high electrical conductivity. Alkali metals, other than lithium, can be easily cut with a knife. At room temperature, they are almost pasty. A piece of cesium can be melted just by holding it in your hand. The melting point of this metal is only 29 degrees Celsius. The lower the ordinal number in the periodic table, the higher this temperature. The density of all alkali metals is very low. Lithium, the densest of them, floats in kerosene. Sodium and potassium are able to float in water. Chemical properties of alkali metals. Alkali metals are highly reactive. The atoms of these elements have very low ionization potentials. In order to tear an electron from the S shell, ionize an atom, relatively little energy is needed. The optical spectra of alkali metals have the brightest lines among all the elements of the periodic table. The low value of the ionization potential makes it easy to obtain with their help characteristic light radiation and register it with a spectroscope. Cesium vapors color the flame blue-green, sodium vapors bright yellow. Alkali metals are stored in special ampoules under a layer of kerosene. Even in air, an oxide film forms in the near-surface layer of the metal. Its nitride appears on lithium. Nitrides of other similar metals are not formed. These metals are called alkaline for their ability to form alkalis on contact with water. These are caustic substances that damage human skin and any tissue. None of the alkali metals should be handled without gloves. On contact with the skin, they form an alkali. Before working with them, you need to study safety precautions. These metals react with dilute acids. The occurrence of such a reaction cannot always be predicted, since hydrogen and alkali are formed, which then neutralizes the acid. Usually, reactions with acids are accompanied by an explosion. Therefore, in practice, they are not carried out. All alkali metals are inherently reducing agents. They are able to recover less active metals from their compounds. In this way, aluminum can be obtained from its chloride. Thanks for watching.